Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. I have been looking for a ring light that meets all of my needs for quite some time now, but I'm really happy that I found it. This is the Sensyne 10-inch ring light. The ring light has 3 color temperatures as well as 10 levels of brightness. What I love most about it is the extendable tripod. This tripod extends to 50 inches. So whether I want to just record something, perhaps like on my desk, or in an area where I just want to hold the tripod, you can make the tripod really small or extend it to 50 inches, which is really, really tall. I also love that the head here is quite movable. In fact, I love recording videos. For example, let's say I'm recording something on a table, wanting to show food, I need to do hands-free. I love that this head here can move all the way down, or if I want to record up in the sky or the ceiling, then it can go all the way back as well. This is also really flexible, this part here. You can move your phone to be either horizontal or vertical, so that's super, super convenient. So I love how easy it is to use. It comes in a bag. You can bring it with you wherever you go. It's super easy to travel with. And I think this is probably the best ring light that I have found thus far, and for such a great price. So I'd really recommend it to you guys, and that is my point of view.